Bitcoin is trading at approximately $103,152, reflecting a slight decline of 0.72% from the previous day. Despite this minor dip, Bitcoin has experienced a notable resurgence, climbing over 7% in the past week. The cryptocurrency's market capitalization stands at around $2.05 trillion, with a 24-hour trading volume of $50.89 billion. Macroeconomic factors influencing Bitcoin. Several macroeconomic developments have contributed to Bitcoin's recent performance. U.S. inflation data, softer-than-expected inflation figures have bolstered investor confidence, raising expectations for potential interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve later this year. Trade agreements, the announcement of a U.S.-UK trade deal and progress in U.S.-China tariff negotiations have improved market sentiment, benefiting risk assets like Bitcoin. Technical indicators and market sentiment. Technical analysis suggests a cautiously optimistic outlook for Bitcoin. Relative Strength Index, currently at 58, indicating that Bitcoin is not yet in overbought territory and may have room for further gains. Market sentiment, the Fear and Greed Index registers at 70, reflecting a greed sentiment among investors, which often precedes bullish movements. Institutional adoption and market dynamics. Institutional interest in Bitcoin continues to grow. Exchange-traded funds, Bitcoin ETFs have seen significant inflows, with $120 million recorded on May 13 alone, indicating strong institutional demand. Corporate holdings, companies like Strategy have aggressively accumulated Bitcoin, with Strategy's holdings contributing to its transformation into a major corporate Bitcoin holder. Altcoin performance and market diversification. While Bitcoin remains the dominant cryptocurrency, altcoins have shown impressive gains. Ethereum, up 4.8% over the past 24 hours. Ripple, increased by 1.7%. Solana, rose by 2.9%. These movements suggest a diversification of investor interest beyond Bitcoin. Future outlook. Analysts remain cautiously optimistic about Bitcoin's trajectory. Price predictions. Some forecasts suggest Bitcoin could reach approximately $113,431 by May 15, 2025, representing a potential 9.42% increase. Market dynamics, continued institutional adoption, favorable macroeconomic conditions, and positive technical indicators support the potential for further growth. In summary, Bitcoin's current market position reflects a complex interplay of macroeconomic factors, institutional adoption, and evolving investor sentiment. While short-term volatility remains a characteristic of the cryptocurrency market, the underlying trends suggest a cautiously optimistic outlook for Bitcoin in the near future.